Welcome back, everyone. Today, I have an exciting topic for you all. Have you ever thought about leveraging the power of AI to generate passive income through selling books on Google Play? Well, buckle up because I'm about to unveil a lucrative strategy that could earn you up to $200 per week. Don't forget to download the free ebook on how to make money online using AI chatbots without coding. The link is in the description down below. So let's get started. Understanding the opportunity. Google Play Books presents a vast opportunity for entrepreneurs to tap into the ever-growing digital reading market. With millions of users browsing for new reads daily, the platform offers a global reach unparalleled by traditional publishing methods. What makes this opportunity even more enticing is the advent of AI technology, which has revolutionized content creation. AI algorithms, such as GPT-3, can generate written content that rivals human written material in quality and coherence. This means that authors can now produce books at a much faster pace and with reduced overhead costs, opening doors for aspiring writers and content creators. The key to success on Google Play Books lies in understanding the user base and catering to their preferences. By analyzing trends and user behavior, entrepreneurs can identify lucrative niches that are underserved yet in demand. Whether it's in the realm of fiction, nonfiction, self-help, or niche topics, there's a market waiting to be explored. Additionally, the platform's global presence allows authors to reach readers from diverse backgrounds and interests, further expanding the potential audience for their books. This democratization of publishing empowers individuals to share their knowledge, stories, and expertise with the world, all while earning a substantial income. Furthermore, the digital nature of Google Play Books offers advantages in terms of distribution and accessibility. Unlike traditional print publishing, there are no physical constraints or inventory management issues. Books can be instantly available for download, reaching readers across devices such as smartphones, tablets, and e-readers. This convenience factor not only attracts more readers but also encourages repeat purchases and subscriptions. With the right strategy and content, entrepreneurs can establish a steady stream of passive income on Google Play Books, tapping into a lucrative market that continues to grow year after year. Before we continue, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Leave a comment down below with the country you live in. Choosing your niche. Selecting the right niche is a crucial step in maximizing your success on Google Play Books. Begin by researching trending topics and analyzing market demand to identify potential niches with high profitability. Tools like Google Trends, keyword research tools, and industry reports can provide valuable insights into what readers are searching for and what topics are gaining traction. Look for niches that have a balance of high demand and relatively low competition, as this allows you to stand out and attract a dedicated audience. Diving deeper into niche selection involves understanding the target audience's preferences, pain points, and interests. Consider factors such as demographics, psychographics, and reading habits to tailor your content to resonate with your ideal readers. For instance, if you're targeting a niche like self-improvement, research the specific subtopics within that niche that garner the most interest, such as productivity hacks, mindfulness practices, or personal development strategies. By narrowing down your niche and focusing on a specific audience segment, you can create content that addresses their needs and provides value, increasing the chances of success. Moreover, keep an eye on emerging trends and cultural shifts that may influence readers' preferences and behaviors. Flexibility and adaptability are key in niche selection, as what may be popular today could evolve or fade tomorrow. Stay connected with your target audience through social media, forums, and online communities to gather feedback, gauge interest, and refine your niche strategy over time. Remember, the right niche not only attracts readers but also fosters a loyal following that eagerly anticipates your future releases and contributes to your ongoing success on Google Play Books. AI content generation. The advent of AI technology has transformed content creation, offering immense potential for authors and publishers on platforms like Google Play Books. AI-powered tools, such as OpenAI's GPT-3, have gained widespread recognition for their ability to generate high-quality, coherent, and engaging written content. These AI models are trained on vast amounts of data, enabling them to mimic human writing styles, structure narratives, and even generate creative ideas. As a result, authors can leverage AI to produce books at a rapid pace while maintaining a high standard of quality. One of the key advantages of AI-generated content is its scalability. Unlike traditional writing methods that are limited by time and resources, AI algorithms can generate vast amounts of text in a short period. This scalability empowers authors to explore multiple ideas, experiment with different genres, and cater to diverse reader preferences without the constraints of manual writing. Additionally, AI content generation reduces the need for extensive research and drafting, streamlining the writing process and allowing authors to focus more on refining their ideas and storytelling. If you're eager to quit the 9-to-5 hamster wheel, make sure you subscribe so I can keep creating more content like this. Creating compelling titles and covers. Crafting compelling titles and designing eye-catching covers are essential elements in attracting readers and boosting sales on platforms like Google Play Books. A captivating title serves as the first point of contact with potential readers, enticing them to click and learn more about your book. When creating titles, consider using intriguing words, emotional triggers, or questions that pique curiosity and compel readers to explore further. Incorporating keywords relevant to your niche can also improve visibility and searchability, increasing the chances of your book being discovered by the right audience. Equally important is investing in professional cover design that visually represents the essence of your book and resonates with your target audience. A well-designed cover not only grabs attention amidst a sea of options, but also communicates the genre, theme, and tone of your book effectively. Collaborate with experienced graphic designers or utilize design tools and templates to create visually appealing covers that align with industry standards and reader expectations. Remember, a visually appealing cover can significantly impact a reader's perception of your book's quality and value. If you can't wait to achieve financial freedom and live life on your terms, hit the like button. Optimizing for Google Play. Optimizing your book listing on Google Play is crucial for increasing visibility, attracting readers, and ultimately boosting sales. Start by crafting a compelling book description that highlights the key themes, plot points, and unique selling propositions of your book. Use engaging language, descriptive imagery, and persuasive storytelling techniques to captivate potential readers and entice them to make a purchase. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally throughout the description to improve search rankings and ensure your book appears in relevant search results. In addition to the book description, optimize other metadata elements such as titles, subtitles, and author names for maximum visibility. Ensure that your titles and subtitles are clear, concise, and aligned with reader expectations. Including your author name prominently can also enhance brand recognition and trust among readers. Leverage metadata fields provided by Google Play, such as categories, tags, and pricing information, to further categorize and promote your book within relevant genres and subgenres.